Seductive Souls coming at you. About to work my catamized magic. I got these fire red 4s. As you can see, they're beaters. Separation. Midsole is bad. Bad chipping. A lot of creasing. And not too dirty though, I give them that. But midsole chipping. So they've been brought to me today. At first I thought the customer wanted me to do a restore on them, but when he got here he asked me if I can customize them for him, and of course, yeah, I said yes I can. Yes, I can work my magic on them for you. So I'm gonna customize these. He's a Cleveland Brown fan, so he kind of want me to work with the red, the white, and the black, and throw the Browns colors in there. So I'm gonna see how that turned out. But this is the before, and I'll be back with the finished product. Lay these down so y'all can see that. I'll be back with the finished product. So stay tuned. Back, finished product. I just do what I'm told to do, what I'm paid to do. But the concept of these are to wear with a Cleveland's Brown jersey, you know. And I advise the customer, hey, these shoes are a little beat up. You're wasting your money. It might not last long. You still. That being said, I'll get into this. So what I did was repaint the midsole black. The purpose of the red, he said, will be like the color rush, which I don't get. But you know the Browns are orange, so I went ahead and hit it with that orange. The black laces, he had it already. Everything's orange. You see, the shoes had a lot of crease and the leather was real weak. And I advised him that it's not your paint gonna come off, like, but he still wanted to do it. So I did what I was told to do. Now here on the tongue, I painted that brown, of course, so it can be the orange and brown. Same thing, go all the way around, let you see the whole shoe. Get the orange. But I mean, I hate when I'm brought beaters, just because you restore shoes, like you can do anything. And don't get me wrong, I can and I will, but some stuff is not meant to be saved. You know, like I told him, you're wasting your money. He didn't care. So, but yeah. Back view. Again, Jordan Fire Red 4s. I hooked them up orange, kind of like the Cleveland Browns. Jumpman on the tag. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.